July นี่สมทุนประคัดช้างนี่สมนี่พรกันใน United States ลำปังเฮนินบวยนันตอกลัดไม่ทุจงเอกันตีชวนอินอิรันอันเบย์นั่นละมาเฮียนอัน air defense system เช่นขัดอัสตอกะฮีอันสิไลม่วงเตะเขาโม่เฮ้ยอัดเล่มโตลุตุกะจู่วันส่วนนี้ United States ลำปังเฮียนินอัดฮาร์อันในเบลเลเทดานเฮียนิน order เลียนทำตักไหมอัน play stopไหมนี่อัน order ตบไหมนี่กันเรียกกัน
and that is the depleting reserves of air defense missiles.
Oh, air defense missile. Iran na tanga missile ron thok chak taka ron thok lo intercept tu tur missile la kha United States ten khami missile la kha an nei tlem to lu tuk tu na hian poimo lu tuk he thi la hi United States tan son in he thi la hi it's very alarming a poimo a chan chu Iran an be le vat theina turatan tele nasataka Iran an be chun zom le theina turatan hena poimo Iran va be na tur ngor ngara missile chun nga don amaro chu an ma ni lo inven na tur missile kha an nei nga telve lo chuan aboi thak hei taka hinia Iran be akhir na chan.
A new report estimates US inventory for Patriot interceptors has shrunk by nearly 65% since the Iran war began.
Iran tenenan in do atang khanin za som ruk panga ve zetin an air defense missile ang chi ho kha an stockpile ha lo tan hiam to ani.
And if the fighting continues, the United States could face a severe crunch. So what is Washington doing about it? What it knows best, feeding billions of dollars into its military-industrial complex.
Billions of dollars, billion tam tak missile, air defense missile order belt nan $1 billion tam tak invest le pop mai ne.
Lockheed Martin has won a contract worth nearly $58 billion to manufacture more interceptors.
Lockheed Martin te hian in United States sarkar atang hianin contract an hmuwa he contract he atam turu vet khop mai ne $58 billion loi ani turu lutuk he Lockheed Martin te hian a hian in pe khani dona Lockheed Martin te hian in air defense missile tam tak an ron siam chuak zung dona ni United States sipai te tan hian mo.
This is the largest ever procurement deal for the Patriot missiles.
Patriot missile tana deal lian ber ani tuna hian he aya deal man tam hi ala om lawani.
Our next report tells you more.
For decades, the US has called itself the world's most powerful military.
United States te hianin kan sipai hi khovela sipai thil ti thei ber anni anti thina hi zo adik verang mai.
It has stealth bombers, aircraft carriers, nuclear submarines, and some of the most advanced air defense systems in the world.
Haral thuam thatak tak bon tak an nei nga ha chu kan thria soino na ai to lo.
Like the Patriot and the Terminal High Area Defense or THAAD systems. But the war in Iran has exposed the chink in America's armor. The US may have these advanced weapons, but does it have enough?
United States te hian in Iran ai chonin ral thuam an nei advance zoka entiran THAAD le Patriot air defense system te poi Iran atanga missile local lo intercept na tangkai lutuk a thalutuk aman po atam an lulutuk amaro chu heng Patriot air defense system te THAAD air defense system heng air defense system poi mo lutuk te hian in missile khang Iran atanga missile ron thok lut lo intercept tu tur missile la kha an nei nga to kem ti kha zona apoimo khop mai ni zona apoimo takani achan chu Iran missile de chu asiam an tloma missile tlom tak kha de khan rong kap chuk zunga khitiang Patriot air defense missile gan ti te le THAAD missile ang chi te ho khi chu asiam an ato turu mai ani chu taka chu nia United States te ral thuam chu an nei advance amaro chu an nei nga to kem heng missile stockpile la himo.
A new report by the Center for Strategic and International Studies, or CSIS, says the Iran war has taken a toll on America's interceptor stockpiles. CSIS, a bipartisan non-for-profit think tank, estimates that the US has severely diminished its stockpile of Patriot missiles.
Patriot missile stockpile hi atlem to vie waniti in organization pakhatchon in report ani he organization pakhatin non profit ania sumsiam atum lo shimshima he organization hian sumsiam tuma holding an nilawa ting hianin frank takin US te hian in Patriot missile hi an nei claim to em ani Iran de na nin do na hian antia he ka ngai tuwa US เฮียนินเตียงอันนี้ส่งปฐุมทุ่งเซตอิรันอาเบยนัวอันจลสันนัชันเตปโอฮิอันนี้เทียงเอ็มอันเบยว่าก็อันจลเลวังวังนัชันเตปโอฮิอันนี้เทียงเอ็มที่เตปโอฮะข้างเตปโอฮะโซน่าอัดลิงเวทีนี่ดินว่าอาชันจู United States เฮียนินอิรันฮีอันว่าเบยงอตันนี่แล้วว่าอิรันนี่นั่นเราช้างเลดเวเซลเซียอิรันนี่นั่นอันเราช้างเลดนะเราอินเวน่าอัตันยิง Patriot เตทัดมิสไซล์อันกับช่วงเวรงอันนี้ฮะตักขันเนี่ยอับวยท่าคบมาให้ United States เฮียนินอันดูอังโตกับอิรันอันเนเทโลนัชันเลยอิรันเฮติคอปเรย์อาจันเวทนัชันฮีเฮอันนี้เทไม่เอ็มอาชันจูอิรันเดชวนอินรัลถ่วมจูอันเองอะมาเสอาเซียมันนะตรม US เดชวนอินรัลถ่วมอันเน advance เดอิโซอิรันไอน์อามาโรจูอันรัลถ่วมเสียมันค่ะอัตโตเซตตาค่ะบวยทักตานี่
by nearly 65% since the Iran war began in February. This is alarming because the Patriot is one of the most important weapons systems in America's arsenal. It's a mobile surface-to-air missile system designed to detect, track and intercept aerial threats, including ballistic missiles, cruise missiles, aircraft and drones.
Heti in huang hianin hetiang truck atang hianin Patriot missile system hi en kap chuak thina ni hemi United States Patriot missile hianin Iran atanga missile ballistic missile ron kalang chi te kha alohan intercept don ta a ti chuan heng hi a that ve em na chu missile ba ka drone te thona thlengin alo intercept thei ani thakop mai hetiang Patriot missile system a hi mo US Sipai te an thi chu nom to tho amaro chu Iran in missile ron ka chu apianga United States Sipai te Israel Sipai te lo veng him tu ani he Patriot missile system a hi.
The Patriot system relies largely on two types of interceptors. First is the PAC-2, the older and larger interceptor. Each Patriot launcher can hold a maximum of 4 PAC-2 missiles. Then comes the PAC-3, the newer, sleeker, hit-to-kill missile. Each Patriot launcher can carry up to 16 PAC-3 missiles.
PAC-2 like PAC-3 on PAC-2 hi luizog ania PAC-3 hi atharazok atangkangzok athazok bok.
The US has deployed the Patriots across the Gulf. The weapon system has been instrumental in defeating many Iranian aerial attacks. But there is one major problem. Iran has thousands of missiles and drones, and Tehran launches its attacks in waves.
United States hianin hemi Patriot missile system hi Middle East ram sang a hianin ada ani tichuan Middle East ram sang ada khanin khang ram te po khanin Patriot missile system mangkhan Iranina kamirama US Sipai US base aron ka don khan hemi Patriot missile khanin alo intercept vezela khatiang kha ani lai khanin Iran po hianin missile le drone hi sang chuang anaya thok le khatan ron kap huk thin bok si lai kha boi thak ta ani.
To defend against them, the US would fire multiple Patriot interceptors, even if there was just one incoming missile.
Iran na tangin missile pakhat ron kap se United States Patriot missile hi paliam panga vel han kap chuak thin mo kha a hek em mai ni hi Iran hianin an thave bok ka chu wang chu ani mai theya Iran hianin atil pa hanin missile man tlom deuh ang chi haron kam he ngek maya te hana ka bak waka United States air defense system an stockpile ti tlem atum te poni mai theya tin missile thadeu deuh ane hi tuna hianin pantura langa ani Iran hian mo.
And this has severely depleted America's Patriot stockpiles. CSIS estimates that before the war, the US had around 2,000 PAC-3 Patriot interceptors. Their latest July 27th assessment shows that number has shrunk to below 1,000. Along with Patriot interceptors, the US stockpile for THAAD interceptors has also shrunk drastically.
Patriot PAC-2 PAC-3 hi sang hi zathum vela la ya mani de loka tun kar ni mo tun kar han estimate thale chonin Patriot missile system ma missile stockpile te kha zasari atanga zariat vel cheni to ne hi tin that po hi atira zali somnga ni thin kha tuna chuanin zani som thum pali tanga zani som sari pariat vel chi anei to anga chhut ane.
Before the war, the CSIS estimate showed that the US had more than 450 THAAD interceptors. By July 27th, those inventories have dropped to about 250. The CSIS report warns that if the fighting in Iran continues, the US would face a severe interceptor crunch for future conflicts.
Iran tenena anin do hi tinga akal zer ani chuanin an missile stockpile hi atla hiam telanga khatianga ni chuan tinan Iran ten hian lo in do to lo poni se nakida ramdang tenena an han do le huna khan United States chan adin muna kha chu a thalo ngal ringot mai ni chu wan chuanin hetiang hianin Lockheed Martin te United States te hianin 58 billion US dollar loi mai contract an han pe ya Lockheed Martin lampang hianin ting hianin missile an lo siam le char don ani kami kha United States hianin hemi problem hi chu ma chon aron overcome thei tu rangai la ati ani lo zonin tuna hianin Iran po hi andu ang tak hianin an be chun zom thei lo palang ti hi a hlaum khop mai ani vedila in mula thu do ne